Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text box, fill color or background color in Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll change this text box background color. Double click on this text box and open drawing tool. Now click on this text box and select, and here you will find this background color option. You can change this background gradient color, you can add, again select it. Also you can add solid background color. There is default background color. Also you can add pick custom color if you like. Okay, and see this, and click here. Also you can pick color here, pick color pen here. I'll add this color and see this, and gradient background color there. Also you can change this custom option. You can make it linear and simply select OK and see this. Now simply select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.